Clove tea, brewed from dried flower buds of the clove tree, is a powerful herbal infusion known for its rich flavor and therapeutic properties. Top 5 health benefits. 1. Boost digestion. Clove tea stimulates digestive enzymes, helping to relieve bloating and reduce gas, making your digestive system work more efficiently. 2. Natural energy booster. Rich in antioxidants and essential compounds, clove tea can help fight fatigue and increase your natural energy levels without caffeine. 3. Fight inflammation and pain. Eugenol, a key component in cloves, acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, offering relief from pain and inflammation in the body. 4. Support immune system. The antibacterial and antiviral properties of clove tea help strengthen the immune system, making it effective against common infections. 5. Enhanced oral health. Clove tea can freshen bad breath and support gum health, thanks to its antimicrobial effects, making it a natural remedy for oral hygiene. Here's how to make a soothing cup of clove tea in a few simple steps. 1. Start by boiling a cup of water in a small pot or kettle. 2. Once the water reaches a boil, add 3 to 4 whole cloves. 3. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes to extract the clove's flavor and benefits. 4. After simmering, strain the tea into your cup to remove the cloves. Optional. For added flavor and health benefits, you can mix in a slice of lemon, a spoonful of honey, or a few slices of fresh ginger. Now your clove tea is ready to enjoy. Clove tea is a popular herbal drink known for its natural healing properties, but it's not suitable for everyone. Here are a few important precautions you should keep in mind before drinking clove tea. 1. People on blood thinners. If you're taking blood thinning medications like warfarin or aspirin, clove tea might not be for you. Cloves have a natural blood thinning effect and could increase the risk of bleeding when combined with these drugs. Always check with your doctor before including it in your routine. 2. Avoid excessive consumption. While clove tea can be beneficial in moderation, drinking it too often or in large quantities can lead to side effects, like digestive discomfort or even liver problems. Stick to 1 cup a day to stay on the safe side. 3. Pregnant or breastfeeding. If you're expecting or nursing, consult your healthcare provider before drinking clove tea. While natural, some herbs can affect pregnancy or the baby's health. In conclusion, here you have it. Clove tea is a simple, natural way to give your body a boost. Try it for a week and feel the difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this video with someone who needs a wellness upgrade.